Hello and welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to join the tables of a data source in Bold BI. Joining tables in a data source allows you to combine related information stored across multiple tables into a single, meaningful data set. By creating these relationships, dashboards become more accurate and comprehensive. Open the Dashboard Designer page. Go to the Data Source section and click Create New button. For this demo, I will choose a PostgreSQL data source and enter the required data connection details. Select Connect to open the Query Designer. First, drag and drop a table into the Query Designer. Then, drag and drop another table into it. Now the Query Joiner page will display. The left table shows the list of tables already dropped in, while the right table shows the table you recently dropped that needs a relation with a previously dropped table. The center drop-down list represents the join condition, and you can add multiple join conditions by clicking the Add Field button. The join conditions in the join drop-down include inner join, which returns records from two or more tables where records match in both tables. Left outer join, which returns all records from the left table and any matched records from the right table. If there is no match, the result will be null from the right table. Right outer join, which returns all records from the right table and the matching records from the left table. The result is 0 records from the left side if there is no match. Full outer join, which returns all records when there is a match in the left table or the right table records. And cross join returns every possible combination of rows from the left table with rows from the right table. For this example, I'll select the left outer join for this condition. You can define a condition for joining two tables using any of the comparison operators to compare the values of two columns, one from each table, in order to establish a relationship between the tables. Additionally, you can create a condition using a constant value instead of selecting a column as the right operand to join tables. Select the Merge option. Now the Join option will become enabled once you drop the second table. Select Save. Now we can create a dashboard using this data source. In this video, I showed you how to join the tables of a data source in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.